Diaries, it's us again. I'm Gabby,
And I'm Rai.
and you're officially tuned in to RNG Diaries. So, ano ang topic natin today?
Okay,
Please.
let's talk about, tapos na kasi yung Valentine, so let's call it
Yes.
post-Valentine.
Post
Mm.
special. Hindi tayo naka-red. Hindi mo
So,
ko
it's okay.
pinaalalahanan.
Hindi natin siya napag-usapan.
Yes, hindi nga.
Okay.
Okay, how was your experience ba last Valentine's? Like, kahapon sa inyo, no?
Yes. No, nung isang
One day
araw.
ago. Oh,
One
sa
day
amin
ago.
pala kahapon. Sorry na. Nalilito na kami guys sa time zone. I'm so sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Kamusta naman ang
Um,
experience mo?
actually, wala naman masyado. It's a very busy day. Kasi, nag-exam lang kami. Then, syempre,
From what time ba?
wala nang time after, so kumain na lang kami sa labas. Yeah, exam namin yon. So, starting from 9 a.m., nag-exam na kami up to 4 p.m. So, after 4 p.m.,
Oh,
syempre,
the whole
onti na lang
day.
yung time. So, ang hirap din kasi 4 p.m., imagine, tapos Valentine's, and weekend siya.
Mm.
Imagine, it's
Mm.
weekend, so,
Saturday.
tapos sweldo pa. Mm.
Ah, shit.
Kaya,
Wait, kailan ba reach nyo? Saturday?
ang sweldo kasi dito is minsan every Friday or kaya
15.
minsan every 15 and 30.
Oh,
Pero since
15:30. 15:30.
15 is Sunday, so maagang dadating yung sahod. So 13 pa lang may sahod ka na. So may pang-date sila for the Valentine's Day.
Ah, okay. Kaya
Right?
naman pala. Kasi
And
dito sa amin, Friday, every Friday. Pero
uh,
15:30 pa din dyan, di ba?
yeah.
Okay,
Minsan, it's either
continue.
bi-weekly or ayun, 15:30. And ayun nga, so maraming nagde-date since bagong sweldo or ano,
Mm.
ang hahaba ng pila sa restaurants, te. So, since 4 p.m. babiyahe pa kami, 5 p.m. Te, wala ka na rin aabutan. Di ba?
Fuck, the whole day ka pa naman, tapos nakikita mo, lahat sila naman nakapula, nakapink, ang daming balloon.
Yeah.
Eh, kung putukin ko lahat ng balloons niyo, charot.
Pero kasi syempre,
Bitter.
di ba ang Valentine's, hindi lang naman for,
Oo, for couples.
couples. They are also
Totoo.
for family or your
Yeah,
Valentine. So, ayun, maraming family, maraming couples, maraming
totoo.
babae na tayo, nagde-dates din. Kaya, wala talaga, ang
Bagay.
dami. So,
Pero
hindi
like,
ka,
masasabi mo bang nothing special? Like that day? Was it like
um,
nothing special?
no, for me, Valentine's Day is very special.
Like, paano ba siya naging special para sa atin? Kasi
Kasi,
bakit siya naging special, di ba?
sa bagay, pero kasi it's a specific talaga na for, ano talaga, for Valentine's or for Heart's Day. Doon mo talaga, although every day naman ina-express natin na
Oo,
mahal
exactly.
yung someone or yung family natin. Pero parang it's a very special day kasi na doon talaga mo pwede
Mm.
ilabas.
Okay. Actually, wala rin naman akong ginawa that day. Ano lang, since like dearies, as you all know, I work at a hotel dito. Ate, parang gumigiba yung buong hotel namin. Alam mo, sinasabi namin lagi na like, kahit
Anong
anong
gumigiba yan?
you guys know this unfiltered, but like, I swear, not like my first time. Kasi I've been in the industry for 3 years now, and hindi na bago sa amin yan, okay? Kasi I
Yeah.
swear, I'm not gonna drop like the whole raw story. Pero let's just say na, ate, worker ako, sana hindi kayo maingay masyado, yun na lang. Paldo talaga sa dumi para sa amin.
Feeling ko marami
Kasi
na naman kaming patients niyan for the upcoming November.
girl, exactly.
Di ba?
Exactly. Exactly. Alam mo, like, dumaan na lahat. Like, Christmas, wag lang Valentine's, matatapat yung mga hotel workers. Ate, worst nightmare ever namin yan sa lahat ng,
Ang dami
I
mong
don't know,
lilinisin,
sa lahat
right?
ng holidays. Girl, ang daming lilinisin, ang daming basa, ang
That's very
special.
unfiltered.
Yes, please, let's bury that shit. Ayoko nang alalahanin. Pero siguro, like, sa special, something special. I don't really believe na it's really, pag sinabi mong nothing special na nangyari, I think hindi. Kasi, it's up to you how you're gonna see it as, yung araw na yon. Do you see it as special for you? whether alam mo yun, single ka or taken ka or you're married or you're with kids, mga ganun. Kasi like right now, ang dami nagsasabi na single ka on Valentine's. Ewan ko, ako lang ba parang nagkakaroon ng ick when I hear those words na parang, huh? What's wrong?
What?
Ewan ko. I swear na single ka on Valentine's, parang, I don't know. Is that supposed to be na parang offensive na lonely ako? Ewan ko. Or
Hindi
sa ibang tao,
naman. Yung iba kasi,
di ba?
yung iba kasi may times na yung iba mayabang na porque may ka-date na sila for Valentine's.
Truly. Kasi I think that's where the social media na pressure comes in.
Ah,
Kasi
yeah.
like with those comments, 'di ba? Kasi
Mm.
parang ikaw ba, ewan ko ano sa tingin mo, paano ba nag-start
Oh,
yung
doon
I
na
don't
rin
know, social
papasok
media?
yung feeling mo na as a girl, ay, oh no, kailangan may ma-receive ako. So, since wala akong na-receive, so,
Oo.
bibilhan mo na lang yung sarili mo ng flower. Kunwari, may, bigay ni ganito, bigay ni ganyan. Para just to let the others know na may nagbigay talaga sa'yo kahit ikaw lang talaga bumili. That's what you call social media pressure, right? Kasi
Yeah,
pressure,
oo. Yes, totoo. Pero like, would you do that to yourself? Na would you order flowers, chocolates? Alam mo yon?
I never did that.
Ako,
Never.
yeah, it's a low blow for me. Hindi ko
Mm,
sinasabing degrading, hindi naman ganon. But like
mm.
low blow siya for me. Kasi why? Like, bakit? Siguro
Like,
I want to prove myself to anything else. Wag lang yon. Alam mo
like,
yun, parang para lang masabi.
parang ano, but like, bakit kailangan mong makisabay sa trend or you have, may mga nagmamahal naman sa'yo, di ba?
Oo,
So,
totoo.
not just,
Definitely.
kailangan mong makisabay sa trend nila na gano'n.
That's where the pressure talaga comes in. I don't
Mm-mm.
know. Kasi like, yung sinabi mo, like, kailan ba yan? Basta I think nag-usap tayo, no, na whether yung pagiging single mo, autonomous mo on that day, do you think is empowering or like, does it
Trigger.
trigger some emotions deep down na parang, ewan ko.
Yeah, I feel like for some people, it would be triggering. Pero for some people din naman, it would be empowering. So, depende talaga siya sa take ng tao.
Or siguro depende din sa phase na ng life mo. Na-feel mo ba yun? Be, alam mo, na-feel ko yun before. Legit. Trigger talaga ako na, tangina, lahat sila sensor, charot. Na parang
Before,
tangina lahat sila nakikipag-date, tas ako 'di ba? May gano'n ka bang feeling or ako lang?
meron, syempre, lahat naman tayo, mafe-feel
'Di ba?
natin.
Oo, siguro depende lang sa
Dumaan
alam
tayo
mo
sa
'yun?
phase na gano'n.
Oo. Pero like
So,
right now ba, would you say na you're still in that same phase? No. Hindi mo
no,
no.
hindi na. Hindi na.
No.
Kasi syempre,
'Di
as
ba?
we grow older, we actually mature.
Mm. And I think kasi na siguro yung before natin kaya tayo nati-trigger kasi we're surrounded by people na alam mo yun who are madly in love or kung ano man. So
Yeah,
parang alam mo
I
yun, yung
know.
perspective natin outwards siya. Na
Yeah.
parang, shit, I have to have that. Alam mo yun, kailangan ganun din ako kasi like, what the
So,
fuck? No. Siguro ngayon hindi na. Kasi I couldn't be bothered kung, bahala kayo din gawin nyo dyan. Basta ako, at least
busy
my
na rin
pace
tayo
ko.
sa kanya-kanya nating buhay. So, the more na may
Totoo.
nagpapabusy sa sarili mo, feeling ko the more na mawawala yung nasa isip mo na yon.
Pero like, do you think it's good? Ewan ko, like, do you distract yourself with work or whatever? Like, sa studies, di ba? Parang hindi naman siya. I don't
Hindi naman
know.
siya. As long as
Di ba?
keep yourself busy. That's my advice. Para mawala yung ganong mindset mo.
Oo,
Or
totoo.
focus on what's ahead of you. Ganun.
Kesa na ewan ko, mag-dwell ka. Kasi kaya nga, post, like, Valentine's special tong episode natin
Yeah.
today. Just so we can look back on all the shitty things and not so shitty things na naisip natin, whether it was 10 years ago, alam mo yon or 10 days ago pa yan,
Pero
di
for
ba?
you, what do you think your lessons for this Valentine's Day?
I think not so much as lesson, siguro, I don't know, kasi parang wala naman akong like super, I don't know, life-changing decision na parang, oh, like I have to learn something from this. Ewan ko, siguro ano lang, looking inwards, na like katulad ng sinasabi ko na instead of feeling triggered by seeing people na alam mo yun, nagde-date or siguro, I don't know, now I just feel more empowered than before. Like, so
Yeah.
much empowered. Ikaw ba? I
Mm.
don't know.
Yeah, same actually, ganun din sa akin. Kasi, di ba, when you say lesson nga, parang dapat look ahead of you. So, hindi mo naman na kailangan maintindihan.
Oo, true.
So, ayun nga, let's just look ahead of us. So, wag na natin, wag tayo ma-pressure for other people's achievement sa mga love or something.
Yes, true
Kaya,
that.
yun. So, that will be the end of our episode. So,
It's a
it's a wrap.
wrap.
So, just take on what's necessary and what's not.
Yes, guys. Yes, dearies. And we'll see you on our next episode. Bye.